Hello guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So currently I'm looking at cable, right? So for pound, right, as you can see, we have already taken out the swing low, which is perfect for us, right? So if we go on to the lower time frame as well, right, this is where the swing low is at. We did have a move upward, right? But this move, I personally would have preferred for them to go all the way at least above this swing high before they can come back and trade either this order block or the main threshold of this order block. All right, so let me quickly mark out what I believe price is going to do on this chart. All right, so if I pull out my fibs, all right, we can, right there. Okay. All right. Look at the mean threshold of this last down close candle, which we are currently trading. So I'm going to put my horizontal line there. Actually, okay. Right. We're going to use the 50% level of the order block itself, which is the mean threshold of this order block, right? So in here currently we see that we have price already, hovering in here. So we want to see quite a good rejection in here, and then also above, right here, we have a swing high, right? So if we can get price to give us at least a buy profile on the lower time frame, that is, we reject here, right? We trade above. And then when we come back again to at least test the OTE level, right, or whatever order block that's left in here on the lower time frame, we can now start anticipating for our buys, right? So as for our profit targets for this pair as well, right, this high, it's pretty clean, right? That's an area of liquidity. So we are going to target this high, right, as our target, right? And it's at 130, 131, 100 big figure, right? And then above that, we also have an area of relatively equal highs as well, right? Which is this zone right here, all right there, right? This whole zone actually is pretty clean, right? So this is going to be another area where I'll be looking at for them to trade to these levels, right, by at least the end of the week, right? And then also below, right here, this is also too clean. So once you enter in here, you might want to break even your trade as soon as they trade above in here, all right, and take something off right above here as well. But then ultimately we're targeting the 131 big figure, and then the 131 800 big figure. You can move it to the mid figure, 131 500 mid figure. That should be okay for GBP USD,